we have a delicious recipe for paella from Rhona Pizzas, and she's basically used all of the emojis.
Yes, she
all
has.
of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Everything.
All of them. So something
Kashmiri masala.
Kashmiri.
Yeah, Kashmiri
Kashmiri outside, yo.
In a large pan, heat up Sunshine D Margarine. Add the crushed garlic. Add all of the seafood in a separate pot. Heat the oil and remaining margarine and garlic. Add the onions, peppers, chillies, and cook for about 3 minutes before adding the remaining ingredients.
So many mussels. This is very exciting. This feels like something I can actually do.
Yes, you can.
Yes.
It's so easy. Now we're ready to plate. That's our paella for the day.
Now remember, guys, continue to send through your Cooking with Emoji recipes to facebook.com/NowWeCooking, and we could feature one of your delicious dishes right here, and I could eat them.